Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Instagram profile link using AirDrop. So if you want to share your Instagram profile link using AirDrop, here I can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on it, then you tap on this option, which is share profile. Once you tap on the share profile, then you want to have these three options right here, but we are going to tap on the first option, which is share profile. Then right here, instead of sharing your profile with all these users right here, or you just want to share it with, instead of sharing it with other reputable platform, just tap on the AirDrop instead. Then you get connected with the other AirDrop user, then you tap on the person's name, then you share your profile with the person, and this is how the person gets your profile right here. You can see my name there, then this is how the person receives it, then the person can get back to my profile, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.